All right, we are live for another awesome episode of Money Madness with yours truly, Marlo Davis. Every Monday, it's normally at 7:30, guys, but today we're a little late. We normally here, but you normally can catch us at 7:30 on youtube.com/Gene Marlo Davis, facebook.com/Gene Marlo Davis, at Twitter. You're going to see us at Gene Marlo Davis, and now on TikTok, Queen Gene, the wealth creator. I'm so excited, guys. We got a lot of good things happening. And you know what, babe? Can you pull it right off the press? I just printed something right off the press. I sent an email out to everybody. I got some tax updates and some alerts and things of that nature. And today on Money Madness, we're going to talk about 10 tax tier year. Why I can't talk? I don't know. 10 year-end tax tips for 2021. And I'm going to start it with, I'm going to share what I sent out. I get it, babe. I got it. I'll share what I sent out today to everybody in just a minute. If you subscribe to our e-newsletter, my husband just won't let, baby, I told you I had it. Lord, I'm going to read to you guys what I sent out. Guys, we are live right now on youtube.com/Gene Marlo Davis, facebook.com/Gene Marlo Davis. We're on Twitter at Gene Marlo Davis, and we are now on TikTok.
You don't stop.
At Queen Gene Wealth Creator. Want to say hi to all my TikTokers. I know you guys don't get to see the commercials and things of that nature. That's okay. But what I want to ask everybody, wherever you are watching this live, please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the plus sign, follow me to victory. We're going to take a quick commercial break. And when we come back, we're going to dive right into it. I want to start off with these IRS notices that's at an all-time high. I want to start off right there first, and then I'm going to get into the 10 tax tips. You are watching Money Madness with yours truly, Gene Marlo Davis. We'll be right back after this commercial break. All right, and we're back on Money Madness with yours truly, Gene Marlo Davis. It's all about how to make money, keep money, protect money, and grow money because it's your money. Look, I just was alerted about these IRS notices are at an all-time high. And I posted on most of my social media about these notices, so you should have seen it somewhere. But I just talked about the Irs Tax Notices are all at an all-time high. And here's the reason why. Math errors notices typically reflected an adjustment to someone's account, such as balance due or a smaller or larger refund. However, some notices may lack important details. One of the biggest issues the IRS is having is the reconciliation of stimulus payments. There's been a recent flood of math errors notices. And I know because a lot of people, they don't know how much they receive for the stimulus. So they're guesstimating when they got their taxes done. They say, oh, I think I got 18. Oh, I think I got this and that. And because of these errors, it's made it very confusing for the IRS and taxpayers and all. Financial experts say the IRS sent roughly 9 million such alerts from January 1st to July 15th, up from 628,000 in the same period last year, according to Taxpayer Advocate Service. About 7.4 million were related to stimulus payments. And as of August 27, there was a backlog of 9.2 million unprocessed individual returns, according to the IRS. If I put here, if you was thinking about calling the IRS and trying to get help yourself, check this out. The IRS received more than 167 million phone calls during the 2021 filing season, but only 7% of taxpayers reached an agent. Wow. Only 7% reached an agent. So I talked about this. I don't need to go on and on and on about it. And then check this out, guys. It's it's just getting worse because the IRS agency shed more than 33,378 full-time employees from 2010 to 2020 per IRS. And despite staffing boosts since 2019, the workforce is still below 2010 levels. So you trying to get tax help is really, really hard. I tell people all the time when they call me and they have these notices that they've been hiding, these CP notice, these collection notices, these proposed changes. Why am I getting proposed changes? Is because you might told your tax preparer that this is how much I got back or for stimulus. Oh no, I didn't. I don't think I got the first stimulus. I think I only got the second and third. Oh, I think I only got the first stimulus, and then the amounts are off. That's why a lot of taxpayers did not receive their refund this year. And then now with these child tax credits and everything else, woo, it's going to be a mess for filing season in 2022 for 2021. It's going to be a mess. And we know that people do not keep timely and accurate records. I apologize, guys. My voice. Is this mic on, babe?
Mic sure is.
It's on. My voice is it's been going. I'm healing. So I had to nurse actually I didn't nurse myself. Bruce did. So I'm very grateful with that. So for those who don't know me, my name is Marlo Davis. I am an ex-Irs auditor. I have over 20 years tax and financial experience. I am a coach, a mentor, and now boom, shakalaka laka boom, I am an author. We'll talk about that in just a minute. We're going to talk about these tax tips, these notices, guys. Let me say this before I move on to these tax tips because I have another show to do after this. Let me just say this. When you get these notices, they don't go away. When you get proposed tax debt letters just saying this is not a bill, it doesn't go away. It doesn't go away. It's for you to examine it. And then, of course, if you can't solve it, you need to contact someone like me, our office, to help you to get it taken care of. Because there's what's so unfortunate about the IRS or anything with these government things is they know damn well you cannot sit on the telephone for hours when you're at work trying to earn a pay, trying to solve these tax issues. So a day become a week, become a month, become a year, become now. Oh my God, the IRS is putting a tax lien on my home. They're garnishing my paycheck. They went into my bank because up Keys knows. I'm saying hi to you, Keys knows. What's up, Robert? What's up, Ethan? Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for jumping in. So number one, make 401. We're talking about tax tips, guys, that can help you. Make 401k and HSA contributions. That's health saving account. Okay. People can make tax deductible contributions to traditional IRAs and health savings accounts up to April 15 of next year, up to April 15, 2022. However, the door closes on December the 31st for 401k contributions, two different contributions, okay? There's no way to make additional contributions after the new year. So the main thing that you got to do, you got to find a financial advisor. Each advisor need to make sure that they act in your own interest, that if you don't get paid, they don't get paid. You want to make sure that you get the right financial advisor, okay? Taxpayers with a qualified high deductible family health insurance plan can deduct up to $7,200 in contributions to a health saving account in 2021. Individuals with self-only coverage can deduct $3,600. Those who are 55 or older are eligible for an additional $1,000 catch-up contribution. Tax deductible contributions to a traditional 401k are capped at $19,500 for 2021. Workers age 50 and older can make an additional $6,500 in catch-up contributions. So make sure you speak with the right financial advisor when it comes to setting up health savings accounts, okay? That's number one. Make a 401k and HSA, which is health savings account contributions. We're talking about 10 tax tips to help you for the year end. Okay, let's dive right into number two. And I apologize, guys, that my voice, what is that saying? Okay. My voice is kind of working its way back. How I sound over there? Do I sound clear, Bruce? I sound okay? Okay. So number two, we're talking about some tax tips to help you for year end. Schedule your required minimum distribution. Okay, schedule your required minimum distribution, normally called RMD, for 2021. Okay, normally retirees who have a traditional 401k or IRA must take a required minimum distribution each year once they reach age 72. Depending on the size of a person's retirement account, this distribution can be sizable and result in a significant tax bill. Okay. Last year, the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security CARES Act waived RMDs, but they are required again this year. If you haven't already taken your RMD, make sure you do that before the end of the year. If you don't take it, hear me and hear me well. If you don't take it, you'll get a 50% penalty. Okay? So make sure you take your required minimum distribution. You are watching Money Madness with yours truly, Jean Marlo Davis. Every Monday, it's all about how to make money, keep money, protect money, and grow money. Thank you, honey. And we normally here at 7:30. We had a lot of stuff going on. A lot of things are going. You're in, hey, it's a lot of stuff going on right now. And this week is tax tips week. Is tax week. We're going to be coming on our social media live every day to share tax tips to help you along the way. Okay. So we're going to take a quick commercial break, and we come back. We're going to run it through. Y'all, please forgive me for my crack in my voice. My voice is healing. But I'll be right back after this commercial break. You're watching Money Madness with yours truly, Jean Marlo Davis. We'll be right back, okay? Okay, and we're back, guys. Thank you so much for being here. We got YouTube checking in, Facebook. We got Twitter. We got TikTok. All Jean Marlo Davis. All you got to do is go YouTube/my name, Jean Marlo Davis. Facebook/my name, Jean Marlo Davis. Twitter @Jean Marlo Davis. LinkedIn, Jean Marlo Davis. And here on TikTok, Queen Jean Wealth Creator. And I got people making requests. I can't play songs, man. I'm in the zone. We're in money madness. We're talking about money. Okay. So number 3, we're talking about 10 tax tips, guys, to help you and to help you with tax savings. Okay. Convert money from a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. Have y'all thought about that? Have you ever thought about doing that? Thank you for joining me. What's up, TikTok? Thank you for being here. I have to say their name, 40301. You just joined. Thank you for being here. Okay, everybody for joining everywhere else. Thank you for being here. Okay, so withdrawals from a traditional IRAs are taxed in retirement. Okay, but distribution from Roth IRAs are what? Tax free. Plus, Roth IRAs don't have required minimum distributions, which can also be beneficial for those looking to what? Reduce taxes in retirement. Hear me well. Okay. Fortunately, the government allows you to convert money from traditional accounts to Roth accounts to get these benefits. When money is converted from a traditional to a Roth account, taxes must be paid on the converted amount. With some concern about raising tax rates, it may be best to not delay making any planned conversions. If we're going to do a Roth conversion, this is the year to do it. Okay. And guys, look, I got my information from US News, the money portion, personal finance. This is where I'm getting this information from, so you can know. We're talking about converting money from a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. Your financial advisor should have information to help you to be able to do that and tell you all the tax ramifications that you may face. Okay. What about contributing to a 529 plan? Okay. Families with children can use 529 plans to prepare for college expenses and save on their state income taxes next spring. Most states offer a state income tax deduction for contributions made by residents to a state sponsored plan. However, a handful of states may allow deduction for contribution to any 529 plan. Hold off on mutual funds purchases. And essentially you will be paying taxes on a profit you didn't actually see. So to avoid paying additional taxes, consult with a broker before making a purchase to find out when distributions are made. We're talking about we're giving you 10 tax tips, guys, for year end to help you so you can lower your taxes, get out of debt, create generational wealth. Want to make sure that you pay the let me get it right, the minimum tax allowed. That's what it's about. That's it right there, right? The minimum tax allowed. That's what we're looking at. in value. This can be really a good strategy for those in the 10% and 12% tax bracket, since their capital gains tax may be zero. The stock can then be repurchased, which resets the basis and minimize the amount of tax to be paid on future gains. Even if you're not in the lowest tax bracket, you may want to sell winning stocks to reset the basis if you're also harvesting loss. Another reason to sell investments at this time of year is to what? Rebalance your portfolio. Okay. We're going to get ready to get into the cryptocurrency. Crypto, harvest losses on cryptocurrency. How about that? A loophole in the law means people who own cryptocurrency should consider harvesting their losses in 2021. Right now, the wash sale rule does not apply to cryptocurrencies. That means investors can sell cryptocurrency for a loss and then immediately buy the same currency without it affecting their ability to deduct the loss. That almost sounds like shorting. Don't it? Don't it? It sounds like shorting to me. You're washing your money, right? So it says that means investors can sell cryptocurrency for a loss and then immediately buy the same currency without it affecting the ability to deduct the loss. As with other investment, cryptocurrency losses can be used to offset capital gains on regular income tax. Did you know that, Faye? That's awesome. Did y'all know it? Hey, it can. Number 9, we're talking about how to lower your taxes. Some year-end tax tips. We're giving you 10. I'm going to give you 11, actually. Number 9 is very simple. Donate cash to charity. Donate cash to charity. Okay, normally you need to itemize to deduct any charitable contributions. That can be hard to do with the 2021 standard deduction set at $12,550 for a single taxpayer and $25,100 for married couples. However, the CARES Act included a provision that most people don't know about to allow taxpayers to write off up to $300 in charitable contributions on their 2020 return, even if they weren't able to itemize. That deduction is back for 2021 and has been increased to $600, $300 per person. So a married couple filing joint is $600. To claim the deduction, you must be a cash donation, but gifts to donor advised funds do not qualify. Last but not least, meet with your tax advisor. This is a good time to meet with your tax advisor, look at what you've done, help you get your stuff together, make sure they can let you know what you qualify for based on the conversation that you guys have. This is a good time to meet with your tax advisor to find out, what am I missing? What do I need to do? Should I go ahead and make some year-end donations? Should I give some cars away? Should I, invest this? All this that we've been talking about is pretty much what most companies do all the time. They look at where they are and they want to make sure they're not in the red. And so they look at ways to give funds to invest in, 401ks, traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, also, setting up SEPs, setting up simples, doing things, investing in a children college fund, looking at what can I do should I buy a private jet? I know my mentor bought a private jet. He did, to offset some tax debt. He did. As a matter of fact, he got a brand new jet. Okay. So these are the things that you can look at. Another thing is, it's not too late. It's never, not in my house. What do you say, babe? No, not in his house, right? It's never too late to join a home-based business. Now, I've been piping this for years. When I say join a home-based business, I mean really participate, be materially involved in the business. Get on your authorship like you should, or have the supplies that you should as a business owners have. Build a contact list like you should. You should be prospecting. You should be able to track who you're talking to about your business. It's very simple. LLC.com. Those who are on TikTok, that's TI Efferson Frank, Efferson Frank, IS LLC.com, LLC.com. Go fill out the contact us form. Let us know what you got going on. One of our representatives will set up a time where you could talk to me so we can see how we can help you with your tax issues. It's not going to go away until you pay attention to it and seek advice, expert advice. I'm an ex-IRS auditor with over 20 years tax experience, and we can help you with your tax issues. And I just pray that you take action. My goal is to be quick thinking, fast moving, right down to modern day time. My goal going into 2022 is to come straight out, give you the facts, and let you go on with your lives. Because I don't believe in talking you to death, but I do believe in bringing life into you and speaking the truth, and then allow you to do what you got to do with it. So with that being said, guys, 2 things. If you're looking for a home-based business, you can go to twcuniversity.com. Actually, 3, I lied. twcuniversity.com. Go there, put your name and email, and then watch a brief presentation. If you got tax issues, serious tax issues, you need it eradicated. You don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. Look, go to tiffisllc.com. It's scrolling on the other sites, right, babe? Go to tiffisllc.com. Fill out the contact us form. You guys on TikTok, check it out. TIFFISLLC.com. Go there and fill out the contact us form so you can get help. And last but not least, it's tax week all week. I'm coming back tomorrow, God willing. I'm coming back to give you some more tax tips. I don't want to be long. So this is normally Money Madness. And on Thursday at 7:30, we do the Jean Marlo Davis show. But with this being tax week, I want to come in really quick and I want to get back out. I want to give you tips. I want to answer questions. You guys can email me. You can hit reply. Those on TikTok, hit the plus so you can send me a message if you have any tax questions, and we'll address it tomorrow. Those that's watching on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, just go ahead and inbox me your tax questions, or better yet, go to tiffisllc.com and fill out the contact us form and get your questions answered directly. Last but not least, in case you didn't know, in case you was under a rock, we came out with our book, I'm a Wealthy Woman Because I Refuse to Be Abused. It's all about having total prosperity in every area of your life. In this book right here, I talk about how I went from being a struggling single mom with 4 kids, being abandoned, to building a multi-million-dollar operation, a million-dollar empire by God's grace and mercy. We're doing that. We're doing that right now. And we're going to impact 1 billion lives. Guys, go check this out. It gives a lot of financial information. It talks about budgeting. It talks about wealth creation. It talks about total prosperity, mentally, spiritually, physically, financially, emotionally, relationship-wise. It is a damn good book. It is a really, really good resource. I'm telling you right now, for anybody that don't want to be walked on, oppressed, put down, feeling like they busted, disgusted, broke, tired of begging, tired of struggling, and depending on people. This is the book. I'm a Wealthy Woman Because I Refuse to Be Abused. And just because you got a good husband, like I do, or a good wife, or got good support in your life, it's about having multiple streams of income, just in case one of those streams dry up, you're not laying flat on your back, having a heart attack, because guess what? You don't have no money, and that shit is whack. Okay? So I'm a Wealthy Woman Because I Refuse to Be Abused. It's on Amazon.com. It's on BarnesandNoble.com. It's on Target.com. It's on ZulonPress.com. Guys, get your copy. It'll be a great Christmas gift, and you'll get it in 2 days. You know what? You'll get it just before Christmas. That's what I went on Amazon. They said it will. So that'll be a good gift. With that being said, guys, my name is Jean Marlo Davis. I am a wealth creator. If you missed anything, go back when it's upload and watch the video so you can get those tax tips. But no worry, we'll be back here tomorrow, God willing, to give you some more tax tips, more things, answer questions. This is tax week. This is the time to get everything in order and see what you're missing before it's too late to take it as a tax break. My name is Jean Marlo Davis. I am a wealth creator. You're a wealth creator too. You can have, be, do anything. Go to the website, tiffisllc.com, twcuniversity.com. Guys, get the help that you need. And I look forward to helping you indeed. God bless. And I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, 7:30, between 7:30 and 8. We'll be here. We'll see you soon. Take care. God bless.